What's up everybody, it's 302 Row here, and today we're presenting you the world's first ever custom black Timberland Euro Hiker roller skate boots. Here's a behind the scenes montage showing you the making of the custom roller skate, built with Timberland Euro Hiker boots, Rydell power thrust plates, and roller bones wheels. Thanks for watching our video on the world's first ever custom black Timberland Euro Hiker roller skates. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Peace.